All right, guys, we've got a oil filter adapter. It goes on a 97 T-Bird that's got a little crack in it right here. They tightened it up a little too tight on the ascending unit right there, and it's cracked it. You can just barely see it. So what we're about to do is we're gonna get the Everlast set up and do a little grinding and see if we can bring this thing back to life. Y'all stick with us.
This particular piece we're working on, that Jed's working on for us right now, we've got Alright, go!
Little extra brushing right here. We're gonna get some acetone out now, guys, and do a little acetone in here. We're gonna try to get this thing as clean as we can. Hopefully, since it's an older part, maybe it'll be halfway decent material. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
Gotta get it clean.
Gotta get in there and get it as clean as we can. See what we can do.
You ain't welding if you don't catch it on fire.
Got a little bit of fire.
Well, it's only full of oil. I can't understand how you do
Did
such a thing.
pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Got a
Pretty
good
good
fill up. We're gonna come right here
Okay.
and do a little, try to fill in this top just a little bit more.
Man's got a plan.
Here's how you fix it. I mean, it's
That if it leaks out of that,
it don't look the best.
well, it's not going to. There's no possible way you could have got that clean like you needed it to.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of pepper in it.
It's got a lot of oil down in there, bad,
Yeah.
mainly. That's an oil pressure port. So,
Yeah. There's that. Now I'm gonna get the Dremel back out.
Ease that nub off there. This man has just revived a really, really big problem.
got it all fixed up here. Got a little pepper in it. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty, but got it threaded, or got it fixed where this plug right here will go in there. Threads are a little gummed up right there, but it's all right. It's gonna work, and it's gonna save the day. So catch us on the next one.
Well, we're gonna see if we are going to seal our fate here or not. Hopefully all goes well. If not, we'll have it on video.
Yeah,
All right,
we will.
Preston, fire it up. Perfect. Absolutely beautiful.